Hello, my dear friends and fellow campus ministers, retreat and recollection facilitators. Welcome po sa training on giving retreats and recollections to the DG Sense, Citizens of the Digital World. Bagong term na naman, pero actually hindi naman, pinagsama-sama lang natin yung dalawang uri ng generation existing in our world today. Yung digital natives, yung mga kabataan, kasi they were born into this generation, at tayo na humahabol sa pacing at bilis ng takbo ng buhay, digital immigrants. Bagong salta, pinagsama natin kasi tayo na may citizens of the digital world. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Diyos mabalos sa pagpunta niyo po ngayon for being present here today. Alam ko naman na isang malaking sakripisyo yung inyong binigay pagpunta sa Lasal TAF. Kasi pag sinabing Lasal TAF, nako, crowded, daming tao, congested traffic, hindi lang pa sa traffic ha, bumper to bumper traffic, siksikan sa LRT, siksikan sa MRT, mahirap ang parking, pero nevertheless, you transcend yung lahat ng challenges na yun, and ulala, you're here. Thank you very much. For whatever reasons meron kayo sa isip ninyo, I think we have the same reasons why we launched this training on giving retreats and recollection. Ano yon? May bago ba? Is there something new? Learnings? New insights? New styles that will make your retreats and recollection dynamic, fitted, appropriate, at ma-appreciate na mga bibigyan natin ng retreats and recollection. So, go na tayo kasi we only have less than 2 hours to be able to realize yung lahat ng ating expectation and give justice sa pagpunta nyo today sa ating training. First thing first, yung title ng ating unang session ay is about prayer workshop, at ang title nito is Your Ministry Gone Google. Kasi pag nag-search ka sa search engine ng Google, it can give you 3 things. One, a written respond to your search. Second, you can talk to it. Di ba? Pwede mo siyang kausapin. At magre-respond siya ng audio, speaks about sound, at images. So, ano mang search engine, laging merong ganon. Merong sound, may written word, at merong images. Okay, siguro nahulaan nyo na kung saan papunta yung aking sinasabi. Yung tatlo na yon, Ministry Gone Google, yung elemento ng pag nag-search tayo sa Google, yung written word, yung audio, gawin nating music, at yung images, yung presentation. These are very important elements ng paggawa ng ating prayer sa simula ng retreats and recollection. Punta tayo sa written word. I hope the written word will not only touch heart, yung madrama effect, but somehow it can be also an opportunity to evangelize, teach mind. Ayan, Lasalliano ba? Yan ang gusto ko sa Lasallian formation eh. Teach mind, touch heart equals transform lives. Totoo yun. So, sana maunawaan ng mga bata yung kanilang responsibility, maunawaan ng mga bata yung kanilang role, at maunawaan ng mga bata yung kahalagahan ng gagawin nila, yung kanilang participation, yung kanilang involvement sa entire recollection and retreat process. Written word o word na sasabihin natin ay hindi lang nagpapaliwanag, kundi nararamdaman din ng bata na kakampi ka nila, kasabay ka nila. Kaya nga mahalaga yung salitang you journey with them. Hindi tayo detached from afar na tayo yung big boss, then sila yung mga miyembro, at sila yung susunod sa lahat ng ating sasabihin. Wrong. Dapat maramdaman natin we are one of them. Sabi nga, with them, through them, and for them. Kasama nila tayo ron. Doon sa audio, music, mahalaga yan. No? Naalala ko from, minsan nauso yung kay Pavarotti, yung lead me to a place. Sa atin may epekto yun eh. Pero sa mga bata, ewan ko lang kung meron, pero marami ako nakausap. Ang tawag natin doon ay listening out of respect. Ayaw lang ma-water down yung ating effort para pag-research ng music na yan. May mga music kasi na para sa atin ay walang halaga. Pero sa mga bata, nakiklik tono pa lang eh. Talagang meron dating kagad sa puso and speaks about a certain message sa puso. Halimbawa, nung medyo nagde-deviate na tayo ngayon sa pop music, di ba, no? Hindi na yung hindi kita malilimutan. Remember at one time, talagang rock, pop, band. Nauso yun na yun. Yung NSYNC, yung remember yung kantang God must have spent a little time for you. Naku, click na click sa retreat recollection yun. Then pumasok ngayon yung Black Eyed Peas, yung Where is the love? Naku, click na click for reflection yan. Pero kung titignan natin at kung tayo tatanungin, naku, hindi pa siya yan, malabo. Yun ang tune. Mamaya, bibigyan ko kayo ng sample ng mga tono na pero malalim, no? Yung Jesuit Music Ministry ay gumagawa ng ganyan ngayon, no? Na yung pop music ay inuugnay nila ngayon sa formative aspect. Nilalagyan ng formative aspect rather. Tono at yung music. At pangatlo, ito yung mahalaga, yung images na somehow ay magde-depict ng concrete reality that they can relate to, no? Talagang maganda nga kung makukunan nyo ng pictures yung mga klase, yung kanyang sa kantin, yung nag-aaral sila, nagkukulitan sila, o yung mga nakatulala, talagang matatawa sila, pero may dating yon. Yung visual na yon ay pumapasok sa isip nila at nagre-register ng ng particular message. 3 elements ng prayer, the written word, yung sasabihin natin, yung babasahin natin, at yung message na bibigay natin, audio, the songs that we will be using in our prayer, and third, images. Now, these 3 elements, no, yung written word, yung message, yung music, and images fits into one particular, very important, nag-iisang process ng prayer. Ano yon? I tunes to God. Diba? Yung sincere encounter with the person of Jesus Christ. So, our task now is to download Christ into our life at that particular moment, at that particular context. Yung written word, message, yung music, at yung image na ating ipepresent, lahat ito ay magko-contribute to imbibe the Spirit, to welcome the Spirit, meaning will lead into opening the mind, will lead into opening the hearts, and create a sacred space where Christ can be encountered with all sincerity. Ayan, yung hindi na sila makakapagtago, yung hindi na sila makakatakas, yung bang sarili nilang desisyon, no? Lord, today, I will declare to welcome you in my life with joy in my spirit. O di ba ang saya? So now let's move on to the practical application of what I shared with you. So gawa tayo ng workshop. We start with the preparation for the prayer and ritual ceremony. So gagawa tayo ng origami heart and my fellow campus ministers will teach you how to do the origami heart. So bye muna ako. See you later. Dudes, love you. Mwah! Uy, close na agad tayo. Ilang minuto pa lang tayo nagkakasama. Bye! See you later!